Hi, I'm Mr Pugh, Deputy Head here at Norton Canes Primary Academy. Here at Norton we work hard and strive to offer all children a range of diverse enrichment opportunities throughout the school year. We aim to achieve this through a variety of enrichment clubs such as sports clubs like kickboxing, tag rugby, baseball, cookery, choir, plus many more such as Pokemon, gardening and other sports clubs like netball, and these are led by children's interests that we gather through pupil voice to help make sure that we meet the needs of all children.
So the thing that we like about baseball is basically that it's a new passion and it's really fun. It's something that we've never done before.
We practice every 2 weeks and I feel like I'm getting better.
Because you get to score tries.
It's amazing because you get to make more friends and it's just amazing. I can't explain.
I like tag rugby because when you've made like a try as well, everyone's like happy on your